coordinate geometry. Okay, and coordinate geometry topic. First of all, the formula which we'll discuss is here gradient. Okay, so gradient. So gradient formula. All of you, some part they know it. We done some extent. And gradient formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We done in second or third term. Okay, already. So gradient represented by m. So m formula. There are two formulas are here. I give idea. Y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Some students write this formula this way: x2 minus x1 over y2 minus y1. Total wrong. Why wrong? Because x cannot go up. Always y up. Y up, x down. And here by mistake, I have seen sometimes students by mistake write x up, y down. So I'm informing you, so don't do this mistake. Number one mistake. Number second mistake, order disturbed. What is order disturbed? Like y2 minus y1 over x1 minus x2. Again wrong. Why wrong? Look, here y2 come first. Here should be x2 come first. So some students by mistake, they take a wrong order. So make sure if this 2, 2, then this 1, 1. Same, 2, 2, 1, 1. I hope so you got my point. So the right one I copied here, the wrong one I explained here. One part is clear. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Okay. Second part, equation of line. Equation of line. So what is equation of line formula, students? Y is equals to mx plus c. All right. Now you ask me, sir, what is m? What is this y? What is m? What is x? What is c? I'll discuss all together in one concept, one line. There's a blue line cutting the y-axis at 2. This line cutting y-axis at 3. Example. Just take example. So this is called y-axis. This line is called y-axis, and C is called y-intercept. I repeat my words: y-intercept. Y-intercept means where the line intersecting the y-axis. For example, this line number 1, L1, intersecting the y-axis at 2. So can I say the C value for line 1 is 2? I hope so. Very, very clear value. Line number 2, it intersecting the y-axis 3. So C value is 3. I hope so clear. So one by one understanding. What is the M stand for? Gradient. All of you know it very well. Okay. And Y and X are fixed variable. They not change. X and Y not change. Fixed. So now I'm going to solve one question with you. Then you shall understand. Otherwise, don't understand. Okay. Let's start. This line is, it has, for example, okay, I just give you. Let's say this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, and this is a, or yeah, 1, 2, or make a change. Not 1, 2, I make a change. I make a change at this point and at this point. This point A, I take 1, 4. This B point I take, let's say 5, 5. Just sake of understanding. Examiner can ask you, this is a line L. Find equation of line L. Find equation of line L. Example I show you. This, can you see this 2-point lie on line? I think you all students can see. I show you elaborate form. A and B given by him. And what is this one? Find equation of line AB. And which format? This form. Y equal to mx plus c. So this kind of question I'm going to do. And it's 3 marks. 3 marks. So only this part is 3 marks. And get ready. I'm going to do the same question with you. Get ready. So So step number one, solution start here. Step number one, you will write here x1 y1 or here x1 y1, anyone you wish. But I write here x1, here y1, here x2, here y2. Let's assume one student say, no, sir, I want to take reverse. Reverse means here x1, y1 and here x2, y2. So no effect will come. I repeat my words, no effect will come. Okay, I will show even, inshallah, don't worry. So let's find what is gradient formula. All of you familiar? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I'm going to plug in. What is y2, my student? The value is 5. y1, what is y1 value, my students? 4. x2, what is x2, students? Is a 5. What is x1? x1 is 1. If I type in calculator, 5 minus 4 give you 1 and 5 minus 1 give you 4. 1 upon 4 is the gradient. I think all of you understanding how I found. No rocket science, simple technique. I think clear. Now I think clear. But one student says, so no, sir, I want to change. No problem. For example, I'm just writing or option. Let's start the reverse. Reverse means you taken this y2 and this y1. If I take this as y2, so 4 minus this y1, then 5 over this x2, this 1, and this is x1, so 5. So check it. What come up? -1. They come down -4. Negative cancel. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Same answer. So you learn one lesson from here. If you change any order, answer will not affect at all. I hope so you got the point what I'm saying up till now. So gradient formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. You make a plan. You make a plan. Which point you want to take it x2, y2 and which one x1, y1. If your friend take the opposite, no problem at all. Both are correct. Both are correct. So I'm erasing this one. This is not required. I hope so you understood the concept. Now let's start our complete target. What is my target, students? Equation of the line. You know it very well. It has two things. See, C and M. If I get a C and M, question is over, right? But M, I got it. Alhamdulillah. C is missing. C is missing. How to get C, students? So first of all, write formula. Y is equal to mx plus C. Now, this M value will come here. I will replace here. Done. Now, question come in the place of Y and X. I will plug in any one pair. Any one pair. You decide. Okay. For example, one student says that I will use A. Other student said, no, sir, I will use B. So no effect will come. I will show again this also, inshallah. So let's start. Say, for example, I'm using 1, 4. I'm writing here 1, 4. X is 1, Y is 4. Let's start. So what the first number is called X, the second is called Y. So this 4 will come in the place of Y. And this is X value will go in the place of X. I believe all of you understanding. I replace Y value 4 in the place of Y and X value 1 in the place of X. Now I will solve for C. So this equal to 1 over 4 plus C. This will go there and subtract 4 minus 1 over 4 equal to C. Now LCM, 4 LCM. This match, so 4 ones, this one copy. But here no under, so 4 fours are 16. And C become what? 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4. And now final answer writing here. What is the equation of line, students? Equation of the line. Basic formula Y equal to mx plus C. M is this one, alhamdulillah. C is this one, alhamdulillah. And this is my answer, what I am going to write. This is final answer. And I believe you got a point. But you say, sir, what is 15 by 4? I'm not understanding. Please, all of you type in calculator 15 by 4 equals to, I think, 3.9 something. Check again. 15 by 4 is 4 fours are 16. Okay, even I checked with you. So, wait a minute, I check it. What the value it is coming? 15 divided by 4, 3.75. 3.75. I type in 3.75. For sake of knowledge, if I extend this line, this red line back here, so look at it, I'm extending back. This number is 3.75. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I think now you got a clear definition that what is definition of y-intercept. You are telling yourself, y-intercept. Like where line cut the y-axis. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, this 15/4 and 3.75 same. And I believe all of you are understanding well. Okay. So this is okay. Alhamdulillah, completely done. Now do one favor. I'm giving you one question to practice and you will try now. Use this x1, y1, x2, y2. So please, all of you, find this one. Take your time and solve. Then, inshallah, I will do for you. Go ahead. Yes, student, I'm going to do now this question myself. So look at here, please. What is a gradient formula? All of you know gradient formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And I labeled already y2. What is y2 value? 8. 8 will go in the place of this one. So this 8 will go here. And this is a y1 will go here. And this x2 will go here. And this x1 value will go here. I hope so all points clear, right? So let's complete. 8 minus 3 give what? 5 over 4. So I repeat again. Yes, exactly. So what I got gradient 5/4. Clear? Okay, now what is missing? M, I got it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. What is missing? C is missing. So how to get C value? So I will start here. Y is equals to mx plus C. And you remember I said before, you can take any point you like. You take this point or you take this point, no effect will come. So I think I'm going to use A. I'm going to use A coordinate, 1, 3. So 3 will go where? For your knowledge, this X and this Y. 3 will go in the place of Y. I'm writing it now here. Y is equal to, and M value is 5/4. And X value is 1. And 3 is equal to 5/4 plus C. It will go there. So 3 minus 5/4. 4 LCM. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 5. And C becomes finally what answer? C becomes 7/4. C equal to 7/4. And how to answer? Y equal to mx plus C. And M value I will take from here, C will take from here. And Mabruk, Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. I believe you're not getting any big trouble up till now. And today we finished two ideas. How to find gradient? Alhamdulillah, you understood. Number 2 criteria I taught you today, how to find equation of line. Okay. So inshallah, this is the point is very clear. And to next class, I mean tomorrow class, we will discuss some more points, inshallah. Okay. And that is enough for today.